Hello and welcome to this XTFX technical briefing on review and approval workflow between Autodesk Flame and Shotgun. The Flame artist begins by launching the Shotgun desktop application for Linux and logs into the Shotgun project from there. On launching Flame, he's presented with the option of linking his Flame project with the Shotgun project, enabling assets to be shared with collaborators. Once inside Flame, right-clicking the contextual menu on a rendered clip exposes the Submit for Shotgun review tool, enabling him to publish a version to the cloud for external review. He adds a note, submits the shot, and a version is encoded and uploaded to the cloud in the background whilst he continues working. The producer on the project is on the move, and she receives an automated email notification that a version has been submitted. She logs into the project via the Shotgun Review mobile app. Here she can review the shot, make visual annotations, and submit comments for the attention of the Flame artist, who's subsequently notified by email of incoming feedback. The Flame artist launches the Shotgun panel from the Flame menu. He reviews the comments and annotations and makes the requested changes prior to submitting the new version and comments to Shotgun. In the Shotgun Review app, the producer reviews the changes and gives final approval, which is delivered to the Flame artist via the Shotgun panel in Flame. Thanks for watching. This has been a high-level overview, but Shotgun goes a lot deeper, across a wide range of applications. To arrange a demo or an evaluation, contact sales@xtfx.co.uk to speak with a member of the team.